Welcome, Northeast Tech team, to the February edition of Tech Tuesday. I did want to take an opportunity to once again tell you of the value that you hold to me and to our entire community. As this is Career Tech Awareness Month, I would hope that all of us would be quite aware of the value of career and technical education to our community members. You know, it truly is a change maker in our community. 50 years ago, when our first board was established, an unofficial moniker they had was find a need and meet it. And over the last 20 years nearly that I've been here, I think we have really stretched that and sought opportunities to get into areas that we hadn't been in before, whether that's in our business and industry services or adding new programs or innovative approaches to doing what we've done for several years. Always being mindful that the students that come to us, they really need us as you reflect on the homes that they come from and the value that we would have and the opportunity we have to make a difference. You know, our full-time programs, they interview at the end of the week, and you look at our instructors and spending 3 hours a day, those students don't spend 3 hours a day with anybody else but our instructors. And the value that we have not only in teaching them the technical skills, but what it is to be a good human, what it is to be a good community member and breadwinner, the career advisement that we give them, and the employability skills that they have to have. In an effort to reach that even more, one item on the agenda the board approved last night was the creation of another career advisement position. This would be a coordinator that will work with Taylor Odell as we seek an opportunity to essentially be apostles for workforce. You know, many times we have students that graduate from high school and they don't know what to do next. They don't have somebody maybe at home or even at their high schools that can help them figure out what the next step is. Is that going right to work? Is that going out to a career tech program? We've expanded our short-term offerings and expanded that 13th year scholarships for those, trying to meet those needs and largely to educate the people in our communities what we offer at Northeast Tech, but also what our employers across the district, they need employees. You go anywhere and people have help wanted signs up. They need people that know how to show up, how to pass a drug test, how to get along with their coworkers, and that is what it is we're trying to teach them. But with this career advisement position, I think that will help. I mean, we could probably hire several of them to help her, for the need is plentiful. And the workers are few, so this is one step in that direction. An added item, we did have Greg Mitchell, the campus director at Kansas, has notified the board that he's got one more year. So we're asking the board to create that campus director-elect with just what we've done at other sites. So we'll hire that individual that will be the heir apparent to take over for him at the Kansas campus. So we'll be putting together a committee and walking that process through like we've done at Claremore and then at Afton a couple times now. And I think that process works well. Those are big shoes to fill over there, and we want to make sure we hire the right person for that right spot. We do have several different construction projects going on right now. Most of those will be finished at least by August, some of them as soon as the end of this month. The heavy equipment at Pryor, we've got another building at Pryor we're going to remodel. We've got Pryor Printing in the city of Pryor that we're in the planning phases for. The Afton addition should be finished by August 1st. There's a lot of activity across the district, and all of it is just fantastic improvement. And I appreciate everybody's patience with how disruptive that can be to the day-to-day operations, but progress can be messy. That being said, we do have several positions open for next year. We've got great applicants that come rolling in. It is truly amazing. People really value and recognize the value of working at Northeast Tech and are anxious to join our team. So we've got some good candidates for multiple positions. The assistant director at Afton, the admin assistant job at Claremore, just to name a few. But we've got good applications, and that process will be kicking off here in the next few days. as we are taking applications for those right now. But anyway, good things happen at Northeast Tech. Plan to be out and about in the coming weeks, and we'll see you soon. Have a good February.